baby, why the broken heart? For parents of children born with a heart defect, the questions that always arise are, was it my fault? Why did this happen? And will it happen again? Now, I wish I had the answers to these questions, but the truth is that we don't yet know enough about the mechanisms of heart formation to pinpoint precisely what's going wrong. You see, when an embryo starts to grow, the heart is the first organ to form. It starts as a mere ball of cells, and through a beautifully complex series of processes, forms a tube, twisting on itself, until eventually reaching the 4-chambered, pulsating pump that I can feel beating quite frantically in my chest this very second. Now, whilst I was born with a healthy heart, for many children this isn't the case. 1 in 100 babies are born with a structural heart defect, making this the most common inborn malformation. In Australia, each week, 42 babies are born with a heart defect. Half of these will require corrective surgery, often spending months at a time recovering in hospital. In severe cases, a child may have to undergo up to 3 major surgeries before they even reach kindergarten. In these cases, sometimes even surgery isn't enough. And this is not only extremely expensive, but it's a huge burden on the family and the child. So why does this happen? And can it happen again? Well, I believe that the answer lies in our DNA. Our DNA is a string of information woven in such a way that when read by the cells of our body, contain the complete set of instructions as to how the heart should grow. Now if, however, something goes wrong in the stitching, a loop is dropped, this information begins to unravel, and with it, the structural integrity of the heart. These mutations, these incorrect stitches, are no one's fault. Not the mother's, not the father's, not the child's. But we want to know why they happen and will they happen again. So here, my project aims to find these specific mutations in our genes responsible for heart development and investigate why they occur. So by looking at the DNA of families in which multiple individuals are affected, often across multiple generations, we aim to uncover the genetic cause of their defect and explain why or what the chances are that a future child may inherit this from their parents. Ultimately, a child may be able to walk into prospective parents may be able to walk into a medical clinic and perform a simple test to see the chances of their child being born with a broken heart, a luxury which doesn't currently exist. Thank you.